Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is Sande Ko chicken or spicy chatpata chicken. So let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare a Sande Ko chicken, here I have a 1.5 pound boneless chicken which I have cut it into small pieces. I have a spring onion, green chilies, cilantro, slice of red onion, and then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I have 3 cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger, 3 soaked dry chilies, and 1 boiled tomato. I'm gonna make paste out of this. And I have salt and half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and methi seeds. First, I'm gonna marinate this chicken. So for that, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per the taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'll add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it. I'll keep this chicken for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make a paste. This tomato, ginger, garlic, and red chili in this jar. Paste is also ready. After 15 minutes, chicken also ready. In a pan, add a little bit of oil. Add the chicken. And fry this chicken till it turns into a golden brown color. So now the chicken has cooked nicely. I'm going to transfer the chicken in a bowl. So add this paste. Add the lemon juice. And add chopped onion. Cilantro. Green chilies and spring onion, and add salt, red chili powder, and add turmeric powder. So again, in a pan, I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard oil. Then I'm gonna add methi seeds. So this is ready. I'm gonna pour this oil on top of this turmeric powder, and now I'm gonna mix it everything. So now our Sande Ko chicken is ready. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.